magbabike? Hello! Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Hello, so we're here at La Trinidad Strawberry Farm.
And we're gonna go pick strawberries.
Yeah, so Lence's favorite is strawberry. So
Me too.
You too. So every time we jog at UP, so he buys strawberries. So now it's his opportunity, his chance to pick up strawberry on his own. You're excited? So that's where we're gonna pick strawberries. Okay?
Yeah.
You ready, Kuya Lance?
Let's do cabbage picking next.
Cabbage picking? Okay. So we're here, there are lots of ice cream shops, yeah. Shops, strawberry shops and ice cream shops. I guess they're flavored strawberry, right?
And avocado.
Oh, avocado and strawberry?
Yeah.
You bought something? Is that your guitar?
Oh,
Can you show me how to play? Show me how to play your
You know
guitar.
how.
Huh?
You know how.
Sing ka na lang and play.
I got the swords from the souvenir shop.
Is it a real one?
No, it's wood.
Ah, you got it or you asked Lola to buy it for you? What?
I asked Lola.
Let's read this. Come on. Read. What's that, Lalay?
Sundot kulang.
What's that?
I don't know.
Alam mo yung kulangot?
No.
Booger. Sundot is to pick. To pick the booger. Sundot kulangot. Do you wanna buy it? Ayan no? Sundot kulangot.
Yun lang yan ang
There's booger inside of that.
And then you will have to pick it.
You're gonna pick it and then you're gonna use it. Magkano po?
Pipila ka lang sa labas.
What's inside?
Kulangot.
Kulangot. Kakainin natin. Mamaya kain tayo ng sundot kulangot sa car. Sundot ka ba ng kulangot?
Di ba? You're eating your booger? Oh.
That's booger. You're gonna pick it and then you're gonna put it in your mouth.
No.
Can I see the blade? Whoa. That's dangerous. Oh, come on. Yeah, and we're going inside the entrance. Wow, so maputik. Tidin, tidin. Maputik. Ayan, so we're here at Strawberry Farm. Naghahanap na kami ng area kung saan pwedeng makakuha ng strawberry. Yung problem lang ay sobrang putik na ngayon kasi umulan kagabi. So, ayun, oh, may pipick up ng strawberry.
Mag-ano kayo, Len? Mag-ano ka?
Oo, kukuha kami ng strawberry.
Oh, ano? Dito.
So, naghanap kami ng good spot kasi yung mga iba sobrang putik. Ang problema, naka-pants kami lahat tapos naka-white shoes pa. Oh no. Kami naka-red.
So, pro tip, huwag mag-white shoes, magdala ng boots, huwag mag-pants na big pants.
Lahat ata yun, Kwan. X tayo. Pwede mo na kay Lance. Thank you po. Wow, si Iris. Oh, catch it, catch it. Use two hands. Use two hands, hold the other hand. Yeah. It will fall. Catch it. Wow, show me. Ooh, can you show it here? Nice. And then show me. You got the strawberry. Okay. Lean closer, lean closer. Oh, can I see? Can you show me that? That's a lot.
And they're very red
Okay.
and big.
Yeah? Can you show me what you got, Kuya Lance?
Wait, can you move, please?
Yay! Hi, Iris! So, we're here inside the... Ang tawag dito?
Strawberry farm.
The strawberry farm. And then we're gonna pick some strawberries. You ready?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go! I think I can see ripe
This
ones.
one, small. This one is red.
And big.
And big.
Dun, move. Kinuha natin ni Kuya Lance. Oh!
Harvest mo na, Len. Pakita mo nga yung harvest mo.
Wow!
Getting Quillen's mine.
Wow, dami. Oh, si Mami naman magta-try mag-
Ayun, ayun. I can see red there, over there.
Let's go. Excuse us, Kuya Len.
Yes, I want to just...
Oh, can you lend scissors daw?
Oh, there.
This one, oh?
Try and harvest. Oh yeah. Try and harvest
Oh.
this.
Why do you have so much more?
Pull it.
Go pull.
Hey, can you hold this, please?
Okay, go pull. Put it in the basket.
Whoa.
Ah, you crushed it. Oh no. Let's get it na lang even
Yeah.
if it's crushed kasi you can't leave it there na.
There.
Okay, we got it.
Nice.
Yeah, can you...
This one is like a heart.
I want...
Oh, it's a heart-shaped strawberry.
I want- Let's pick it. Mama, let's pick it.
Wow! Look at your shoes! Wow! Yan, dahil maputik.
The winner is
Lalay! Nag-dive si Lalay!
the bad bad.
Wow!
Bad. Yeah.
Yay!
Who's the winner?
Lalay! Okay, it's our turn to weigh in the strawberries. You excited?
Yes, we are.
Yeah?
Tayo hulaan sino ano.
Okay, ilang kilo yan?
Ilang
Guys, sama ni Kuya Lance. Ha? Two? What about you, Lalay?
Pwede may decimal. Ay, 1.5. Meron pang isa pa eh. 2.6. Ako 2.6 na lang. Ilan na po yan?
Isang kilo to.
Isang kilo na po yan.
Wala nang 2 kilos yan.
Isang kilo.
1 kilo.
Nanalo yung 1.5.
Parang 1.5 na naman.
1.5 malapit.
Hindi tayo magaling.
2.
Also
Sa 2 yan,
1.5.
sa 2.
1.5.
Sa 2.
Ako 2.2 ako.
Ako
2.2.
2.
Babanggitin ko pagka nabasa ko na.
Yung hindi maalinag na.
2.
1.9, ay 900 grams.
So, 1.9.
that? What do you call that? What do you call that?
Rainmaker.
Why do you think it's a rainmaker? Can you?
It says it's a
Can you show?
rainmaker.
Ah.
Parang naiihi ako. I feel like peeing if I listen to this.
Oh, what are those?
Fish.
Scratch your back? It's for you. Yeah, that's how you scratch your back.
Is this a body massage?
Hello! So we're here at Easter Weaving. So ito yung display room nila. There are lots of weaved items. Tama ba yung term ko?
Meron silang damit, meron silang accessories, meron silang bags, tela,
Name it. Cloth na mahaba,
cobre kama,
carpet. So, yung dito sa second floor yung products, pero sa baba yung how they weave. So pupunta namin para makita ng boys.
Oh, sana pwedeng magpa...
Sana matesting. Sa Burnham Park, so magbabike and magbo-boating yung mga kids. Si Rachel naman nakabili ng kanyang favorite na mangga! May mangga. Dami dito na may scramble, may ice cream. Oy, meron si robot. Oh. Wow. Bumblebee andun, no?
Bakit Bumblebee? Ayan! Hi! Si Bumblebee! Oh, si Spider-Man! Ay, hindi ko alam si Bumblebee.
Ayun, no? Si Bumblebee at si Spider-Man.
Inside. You want? Oh, you want? Disgusting.
Is it disgusting?
Oh,
Oh, Mommy will eat it. Oh, Mommy ate it. How do you taste it?
This is open.
What?
This is
Which tastes better? That one or your kulangot? That one?
Oh, he ate the booger also.
This sour. I need to drink water.
Magbo-boat ride na kami. Oh, may magsasagwan daw dun sa mga senior. Wait. Okay, magbo-boat na kami. Alright, it's time for us to... Hey, Lance! You good? You get tired? Go!
Hala! Sige! Ginusto niya! Wow! Galing naman ang pampero namin. Taga ano yan? Venice? Kamusta? Kaya pa ba today? Happy birthday!